Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the bin-to-bin movement in RF device. And bin-to-bin is a internal process within the warehouse where we are moving the stock within the warehouse from one place to another place. And here there is no incoming of goods and no outgoing of goods. So that after doing the bin-to-bin movements, there won't be any posting in the S4 side because stock is remains the same, but only the location we are changing physically. So let us move to the bin-to-bin slide where we will understand in what scenario we are doing bin to bin. Let's say your bin is damaged, then we are moving the product on that bin to a empty bin so that we can repair the bin. That is one situation. If the same product is available in two different bins, so in that case we can consolidate the products into a single bin and which will be easy for picking. So these are some situations where we are going to perform this bin to bin activity. Yes, and bin to bin we can perform in the SAP quiz screen. Also, we can perform the bin to bin in RF device. Let me go to the SAP screen. Yeah. So I have already created a product for our demo. So test one is a product where the product description says it's a non-batch, non-serialized product, and test two is another product which is a serialized product. So we are going to use both the products for our bin to bin movement. Currently, this product is available in this rack. RK1 is my rack in bin number 2, and test 2 product is available in my bin number 3. And here you can see the quantity, it is showing as 3 quantity, and similarly it is available as 3 quantity. So in our testing we are going to move the product from bin 2 location to a empty bin location, uh, the whole quantity, the 3 whole quantity. And let me go to the RF device. So SAP provided a RF simulation screen where we can perform these transactions. To go to RF gun, we can use the transaction ICWM RF UI. As always, system automatically giving this warehouse number details and my user ID and the default presentation device, which we already set up um, in a mandatory transactional data for RF, which I already explained in my inbound goods received video. And just we need to hit enter. Yeah. So once you hit enter, this will be your main screen, and we are going to perform the bin to bin, which is coming under internal process. We need to click on internal process, and we need to click on ad hoc warehouse task creation, the second option. And here you can see there are lot of options where option 2 is saying create ad hoc HU warehouse task, and this is create and confirm ad hoc HU warehouse task, and this is create ad hoc product warehouse task and create and confirm ad hoc product warehouse task. So we are not dealing with HU right now, so we are only dealing with the product. We are only moving open products from one bin location to another bin location. So we are going to use either 4 or 5. So what is the difference between 4 and 5? So 4 only create the warehouse order, and once system will create the warehouse order, we need to confirm it again. So that is a two-step activities. But in option 5 we can able to create the warehouse order, also in the same screen we can able to confirm the warehouse order. So I'm going to go with this option 5. So I'll go with this option 5, which will be like, doing all the steps in a single screen, which will be, from warehouse point of view, it is a easy to do. So I'll go with this option 5 now. We just need to click here, and physically the warehouse operative will go to the location where he or she needs to pick the product and place it into the new bin. So he need to go to that particular bin and scan this source bin. Let's say we are moving this product test one from bin 2 location. So he will go to particular bin 2 location. He will scan the bin 2, and after scanning you can see this entry values are coming here. And here the user can click on F2 stock overview, so that system will show whatever the current product is lying inside that bin. So if let's say we have multiple products within that same bin, then we can able to see those entries here as option 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. But currently that bin is holding only one product, test one. That's why it is coming as only one. So I'll just select as one. So I'm going to move this product from bin 2. So as soon as you give the detail here, system will show what is the available quantity of this product in this bin, and you can see the current available quantity is 3. And here we need to provide the process type. So we can use 4 times 9, that is the default one given by SAP. And if we are going to use the default one, the moment I will enter the destination bin details, system will automatically confirm the warehouse task. But if there is a process type we defined, which is 3030, where system will create a warehouse order. So anything we can use, either we can use 4 times 9 or 3030. So let me go with 4 times 9, which is SAP standard process type. And after providing the process type, we can hit enter. And this region field is not a mandatory field, it can be kept open. And but in technical point of view, you can provide the regions. We need to configure what are the regions. Based on that region we can move the product, so we need to configure that so that we can provide the region. And later warehouse supervisor can track for what reason the warehouse operative move the product from one location to another location. So now here I am going to move the whole quantity, so I am providing 3 quantity. Here we can also provide the partial quantity as well. Let's say I want to move only one quantity, then I can provide as a one also. So here I am providing full quantity. And what is my destination bin? So we are moving this product to a destination bin which is empty. Let's say bin 3 I already created. And after providing the destination bin, we just need to hit enter. Okay. Um, I think bin 3 is already having some product. So bin 1 is empty. Let me use bin 1. So, bin 3 is already having some product. That's why it is giving error. Let me show you the error message. So here it is saying the mixed storage in HU1 bin 3 is failed. So currently the storage type is not allowing a mixed products. So it means that particular storage type can hold only a single product. It cannot mix two different products. That's why this error is coming. So already bin 3 is having some other product, that's why we are not able to move in. So let me use a empty bin, which is bin 1. Okay, and let me hit enter. So here you can see my warehouse order is already created and it is asking for the confirmation. That's why this particular field value is coming, right? So again we need to provide the confirmation by scanning the destination bin. So we just need to provide that entry. And now my product should move to bin A. If I go back to the warehouse monitor screen, and if I just refresh it now, my product test 1 product should move to bin 1. Let me refresh it. You see my test 1 product that moved to bin 1. Yeah. So this is the simplest way to do for non-batch and non-serialized product. But if we are doing it for a serialized product, then at the time of moving, we need to particularly provide what are the serial numbers we want to move. So let me use this bin 3. We are moving the product test 2, which is a serialized product, from bin 3 to bin 2. And we'll see what are the steps for serialized product. So again we need to log into the RF device, and here I can click on create and confirm. And we are going to move it from source bin 3. I'll type bin 3. Here if I go to the F2 stock overview, so it is showing my product. Currently this product is lying in that bin. So I'll select just option 1, and here you can see the details are coming. Again, the process type we can use 9999, which is SAP standard, and just hit enter. Let's say last time I moved the whole total quantity. This time I'm going to move only 2 quantity out of 3. So my 2 quantity will move to bin 2 and 1 quantity will remain in bin 3. So I need to enter 2, and here in the destination bin I'll give bin 2. Just after providing the destination bin, we just need to hit enter. So system by default will move to the serial number screen, because system will ask you what are the serial number you want to move from that bin to the another bin. So currently let us check what are the serial numbers available. So simply we can select this line and click on serial number, and that serial number field, uh, currently 3 quantity lying inside the bin 3, x123 are the serial number. These are dummy serial numbers. Let's say we are going to move this x123 and y123 to a different location. So I'll just provide x123, enter, then y123, enter. And let's say while scanning, if you wrongly scanned a serial number, then how to delete it? We can again need to enter the wrong serial number and enter it, so that a X mark will come in the beginning, and then we can select F2 delete. Yeah. So let me add the current value. So you can see it was initially 0 upon 2, now it is 2 upon 2. And after providing the serial number, we need to click on F1 save. So now we just need to hit enter. System will ask me for the second scanning. After that, my product will move to the bin 2. My 2 quantity, X123 serial number, Y123 serial number. Enter. So now my product is moved physically and the system level as well. Let me refresh this, so that my 1 quantity will remain in bin 3 and my 2 quantity will move to bin 2. Yeah. So here you can see 1 quantity in bin 3 and 2 quantity in bin 2, and if I click on serial number, which serial number that moved to bin 2 is X123 and Y123, and bin number 3 is holding that Z123. So this is the simple steps to move within the warehouse. um, yeah. So if you have any doubt related to internal processes, just let me know. I will update more on this topic. And similarly for create ad hoc HU, it is the same only. Here you just need to provide the HU source HU detail, and again you just need to provide the process type detail, and here you just need to provide the destination bin. So these are the steps, nothing else, the same concept only. But let me know if you need a video on this topic as well. I will cover it in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you again.